everybody, welcome back or to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a swatch video on a palette that just recently launched. It launched February 22nd. It is by the company BeBella and it is the BeBella Go Pro palette. This is what it looks like. So I did order this palette off the BeBella website. This palette does cost $27.99. I will link the website where you can purchase this palette down in my description box below in case if you guys want to purchase it. The reason why I am doing this swatch video is because I tried going on YouTube and searching up a swatch video on this palette. I know it just recently launched, but I did not find one video on swatches of this palette live. So I really wanted to film this swatch video in case if anybody wanted to order this palette, so that way people can see how the pigmentation is in these shadows and as well as what they really look like. This is what the inside looks like. So this palette does come with a mirror as well, and it is a pretty decent sized mirror. This palette does have 20 shadows on top and then 5 pressed glitters on the bottom row, and it looks very gorgeous. The color combination that they had put in this palette, it looks really good. So I don't know how the pigmentation is. I don't know how creamy they are. I don't know how buttery they are. I don't know if the colors are very blendable. So this is the first time that I'm going to be swatching these colors. I'm gonna do it on camera for you guys so you guys can see as well. And the glitters, I will be doing swatches without glitter primer as well as with. That way we can see the difference if you really need glitter primer or don't. And I don't know how good this palette is, so we are going to be finding out. Before getting into this video, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you leave and become part of my YouTube family. So with that being said, if you guys want to see how these eyeshadows and glitter swatch, just keep on watching. So there are 5 shimmers in this palette and there are 15 matte shades and then 5 pressed glitters down below. So I'm going to work my way across the top and then to the second row and then the third, fourth, and then the 5th row, which is the glitter row. So the first shadow is transparent. That felt very smooth. Let me just tell you that. That shade did feel very creamy, very smooth, and very buttery. The next shade is the color Dust. The next shade is Vanilla. The next shade is Foil. I am going to re-swatch that one. And then the next shade is Ice, which looks like a matte white. That is the first swatch, and I am just gonna do it again. So that is the first row. So moving on to the second row, the first shade in the second row is called Sunset. That looks like a very gorgeous transition color. The second color in the second row is called Chic. That is the first swatch. The third color in the second row is called Bay. And let me tell you, so far, all of these shades feel very creamy, very buttery. I don't know how the blending is in this until I use it for the first time. So the fourth color in the second row is called Pumpkin. That is very pigmented. And I am barely digging my finger into this. I am not pressing super hard. The fifth color in the second row is called Truffle. So that is the second row. So the first color in the third row is called Crimson. The second color in the third row is called Razzie. These are very, very pigmented colors, and they feel very creamy, very buttery, like I said, and they seem to be like, they look like they are very easy to blend. The third color in the third row is called Autumn. The fourth color in the third row is called Edge. The fifth color in the third row is called Grayscale. So moving on to the fourth row, the first color in the fourth row is called Vintage. The second color in the fourth row is called Plum. That one has glitter speckles in it. The third color in the fourth row is called Berry. Now the fourth color in the fourth row is called Vampire. Now the last eyeshadow shade is the fifth color in the fourth row. It is called Trap. So that is the fourth row. And let me tell you, every single shadow felt very creamy and very, very buttery. So far, I really like this palette and I think it was worth it. So moving on to the pressed glitter row, I am going to do swatches without glitter primer, and then I am going to do swatches with the glitter primer just to see the difference. So the first color in the pressed glitter row is called Burnt. It is a gold glitter, and this is what it looks like on my finger. I barely swatched my finger into it, and it looks very, very pigmented. So this is called Burnt. That is very, very pigmented for being a pressed glitter. So the second glitter is called Celine. This is what it looks like on my finger. It is a purple glitter. Oh my goodness, these glitters are so pigmented. Now the third glitter is called Rose Dust, and this is what it looks like on my finger. From what I see, I don't think I need any glitter primer for it. And that color looks like a red glitter. Now the fourth glitter in the glitter row is called Hollywood. It looks like a orange copper glitter. Oh my goodness, these colors are so beautiful. So now the last glitter in the glitter row is called Silver Dust. It looks like a silver color with blue undertones. This is what it looks like on my finger. And then this is when it is swatched. Oh my goodness, these colors are so freaking beautiful and super pigmented. I am going to go in with another swatch of the gold one. Oh my goodness. These colors are so beautiful and they are super, super pigmented. So honestly, I was gonna do swatches with the glitter primer as well. But now I feel like I really do not have to because they look super pigmented. But I am still gonna do it on camera just to show you guys. So for glitter primer, I am just gonna be using my NYX glitter primer. And I am going to place this right underneath each glitter just to do a swatch of the same color right underneath. So now that I did put glitter primer, I'm gonna go back in with the same glitters right underneath them since I did put glitter primer. So going in with burnt, then going in with Celine, now this one is Rose Dust. I feel with the glitter primer it's not as easy to swatch it. And then now going in with Hollywood, and then Silver Dust. So as you guys can see, they do look exactly the same. It just looks a little bit more patchier with the glitter primer. It went on a lot smoother without it. So these are the glitters swatched and they are very, very pigmented. They glide on really, really smooth and they are all just absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Now after swatching these colors, I can tell you in my opinion, I think this palette was worth the $27.99. I think all of these colors are very, very pigmented. They all feel very buttery and smooth, except for the glitter because of course it does have glitter particles in it, but they felt very nice. They didn't feel very, very textury, and all of the shadows look like they would blend very well. So I have not used this shadow for any eye looks yet. I have not put them on my eyes. Just by these swatches, I mean, I really like them. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on a look using this palette, let me know down in the comments below what colors you guys would like me to incorporate in a look. Or if you guys have any ideas what you guys want to see, leave your comments down below and I will definitely try to do videos on looks that you guys want to see. So honestly, I think this palette was worth it. I think you guys should buy it. It does have 20 shades and 5 pressed glitters. I don't know of any palettes that have shimmer shades as well as matte shades and pressed glitters all in one palette. So I really think the price was pretty good for this palette, and the way these colors swatched, I think that I am going to put this palette to good use. So like I said, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. And if you guys bought this palette, what do you guys think about it? And of any looks that you guys do want to see or certain colors that you want to see me use. So thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you leave. Give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. I am so close to hitting the 1,000 mark. So once I do, I will be doing my giveaway. So don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.